Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm your host Sarah Khan. Today we are going to talk about Korean Gypsy, means glass skin. If you want to achieve glass skin, so I'm going to share the tips. It's a flawless glowing skin which everyone's want. And the best fact is that you can achieve it from home without spending so much money on expensive products. So let's get started with some simple homemade tips that will help you get that gypsy like glass skin. So, number 1 is rice water toner. So first of all we have rice water toner. For this you will need a half cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Wash the rice thoroughly, then soak it in water for 15 to 20 minutes. And now strain the water and store it in a bottle. This is a natural toner that will brighten and smooth your skin. Apply it every day after washing your face. Mask number 2 is honey and lemon mask. So friends, next let's talk about the honey and lemon mask. You will need 1 tablespoon of honey and a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix both ingredients together and apply them to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse the lukewarm water. Honey will hydrate your skin while lemon will brighten it. Number 3 is aloe vera gel. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, extract the gel and apply it to your face. If not, store-bought gel will also work. Apply the gel to your face before going to bed and wash it off in the morning. Aloe vera will soothe and hydrate your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Number 4 is green tea ice cubes. Another great tip is green tea ice cubes. Brew one green tea bag in a cup of water, let it cool, and then pour it into an ice cube tray to freeze. In the morning, rub one of these ice cubes on your face. It will tighten your skin and reduce inflammations, thanks to the antioxidants in green tea. Number 5 is yogurt and turmeric face pack. Next up is the yogurt and turmeric face pack. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt and a small pinch of turmeric. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Yogurt will moisturize your skin, while turmeric will give it a natural glow. Number 6 is regular exfoliation. Regular exfoliation is also important. Make a scrub using 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Massage this scrub gently on your face. It will remove dead skin cells and leave your skin looking smooth and bright. Number 7 is hydration and sleep. Drink plenty of water and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is crucial for your healthy skin. Number 8 is steam facial. Lastly, don't forget to do a steam facial. Boil water, pour it into a bowl, and lean over it with a towel covering your head. This will deeply cleanse your skin and prepare it for your skin care routine. So guys, these were some simple and effective homemade tips for achieving Korean gypsy skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more skincare and beauty tips. Stay connected, keep me in your prayers, and take care. Goodbye. And for more information, you can visit my website makeupout.com. Goodbye.